Holy. And we were going to turn around and pour tree. And we were going to turn around and pour tree! Sheep butt. You see the little footbridge for the sheep? Why did they put the passing places on the corners? Whoop! That one scooted. Cattle grid, cattle grid, cattle grid. Fun. Car ahead. I think he's pulled over though. Give him the dick whistles too. Enterprise. Oy. That could have gone a lot worse. What is this? Where are we? What was on the side of that building? Some cool art at one point. Listen, boy. Your father's father's father was a farmer. I'm a farmer. You'll be a farmer. Take your dreams. Swallow them down. Shit on them. Step on them. I don't care. You'll be a farmer. It's in your blood, boy. Oh, kind of great. Those went from pucker to fun. And only 3 grades. There's a guy up there. A Volvo. Maybe. Look at that heifer. That cow was wider than it was long. So serene and neutral. Yes, 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 yes. It's amazing. Gear, man. I just got clutch in, brake, and coast. Oh, look at that. It's a giant lorry with a massive amount of hay on top. Okay, I think he's letting us go. Almost hit him with the aluminum side boxes. Thanks for letting us pass. Skadoosh! Or more of a screech. Screech. Then a burnout. Oh. I don't know if he's gonna fit going that fast with these boxes. Jeez. Best being first. Some Highland cows, some black ones, or at least some Longhorns. Yeah, that's them. I prefer them in orange or white, please. Please don't point out the black ones. That orange color is more of a classic color for me. Get some wind up here, huh? Yeah, there they are. You can point those out. Look at them. It's watching me. The orange one was watching me. Three! Three telephone boxes. That's a nice one. Still had it in it. Oh, it's like when you went to the Arid Islands. You go there and they tell you, we didn't have a telephone until like 1970. They didn't get the cable across the way. It's insanity. It's a bit flooded. I wonder if that's on purpose. Wow! Put a bit of a lean to the bikes here, buddy. The wind's just whipping between this little lull. Wow! I'm about 4 degrees off center. Keep it straight. Now that's a setup. Wow, 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 wow. Dick makes some curves where there are none. Me just going straight through them. Like I said, this is one lane. I mean, it's two, but it's one lane. Oh, we got some little fellas in the road. Oh, they got some horns to them. Knock you clear off the bike. Holy. And we were going to turn around and pour tree. And we were going to turn around and pour tree. Oh, woo. Oh, I know why they call it the Isle of Skye. Because that's all you can see from the road is Skye.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.